Well, we're back in Tony's garage once again. New project today. Today is going to be I got a set of basement steps that are rotten out. Well, they're completely rotten. See, here's what I've got. 6 steps. As you can see, when the bottom part is just completely toast. Some of the other steer treads, I just pulled them out and they just came right out of it. You know, it's all, it's just rotten out. So I'm going to take these apart and trace out the steer treads on some new pressure treated lumber and cut them out and put these babies back together. Don't anticipate that it's a big deal outside of getting this apart so I can actually trace it, because it's rotten so bad now. That will make things a little more complicated for me, but we'll figure it out. So, here's what I've done so far. As you can see, I've got one steer riser done here now. So what I did was, I took the old steers apart. I took this baby and laid it out, traced. See if I can make sure that I'm getting the shot here. So I traced this out and then cut that one out. What I did learn with it is using a skill saw, you can't get right in. So what I did with it is I took the skill saw and I went in, you know, as far as you could, say about right here, and then I took a handsaw and cut out the last little bit. I guess it's probably the way the pros do it, I don't know. But anyway, so I just checked it all out. Everything appears to be perfect. So I'm going to lay this one now over this piece of board and cut that out. Yeah, so I'm coming along with it. There isn't a great deal to it once I get the risers cut out, to be honest with you. Cutting out the steers to 48 inches wide, so basically, you know, cutting a piece of board in half, right? So I'm gonna lay this baby out like so. Make sure it all lines up perfectly, and yeah. And that's it. So now I'm gonna take my trusty pencil and just simply trace it out. That's it. And then when I pluck the baby up, I should have my steers. Pretty cool. Never did this before. That's why I'm sure the oh wait now. Don't like the way that looks there. Not that you'll notice it anyway, but oh, okay, that's why. Yeah, so you know, these are outside pressure treated steers to my basement. You know, this is certainly not finishing work, but well, maybe I'll do one just so you guys can see what I was talking about with the saw. So yeah, I'll do this baby here. obviously can't go right in, so as you can see, actually I probably could have went in a little further. Well now, that was a terrible cut. So, then you take your trusty little handsaw, which is right here. I just got this little square one that I'm going to use for this. And pop her in here. Probably could have went a little farther with this one, but it looks of it. And out you go. Probably gonna have to do a little work on the few of the corners there, but that's basically it. That's what you do to get her cut out, and then do each one like that. That's it. Well, I got them all completed now, as in I finished painting them yesterday and let them dry overnight in the garage, so hopefully that will work well. But it all came out nice. So all I got left to do now is put them in place, screw them together, and then I'll finish this video. So steps are completed, and this is the final piece of the video. Shows it's all complete. Looks pretty good. I think it does anyway. I'm quite content with it. And there she is.